Here we are, Destination Middlebury Consignment and Home Design. This place is unbelievable. I can't wait to show you everything they have inside. Rachel, this is wonderful. I never realized how much Middlebury Consignment has to offer.
Yeah.
Tell me about the building and about the history.
Sure. We opened Middlebury Consignment in 2009, so we've been open a little over 6 years, and since then it's really expanded. We started in just this building in one little area on the second floor, and then that kind of grew to taking over the whole building, not filling it up with just consigned furniture. We have new furniture as well. We have also added some great unique gift lines, including Mackenzie Childs. We actually have their second largest independent store. So they're known for the black and white courtly check pattern. We also have Jaliska. Their flagship is in Stamford, Connecticut. It's the only line of dishware that we do sell. It's all handmade in Portugal. Another line we carry is Baccarat. It's the most beautiful crystal made in France. We carry Simon Pierce, which is the glassware made up in Vermont. And then we carry Beatrice Ball, which is a beautiful line of, it looks like silver, but the great thing is it doesn't tarnish.
Now you have 2 other locations too.
We do. We have 2 other locations. This is our flagship store, but the 2 locations are only 2¼ miles down the road. So at those locations, one is our furniture annex, 30,000 square feet. It's full of consigned furniture. That's where everything comes in, gets photographed and put up on our website. Across the street from that is a great home decor outlet.
So we're in your design center, and when putting a room together, I wouldn't even know where to start. So this is where you guys help.
This is where we come in to help. We have a great team of designers that can help you with any aspect of a room. So whether you're looking just to reupholster a chair, whether you're looking to do window treatments, custom or Hunter Douglas, we can help you. If you come in here with a budget in mind, we can work with you. We can do the whole room over, or we can just get you a new sofa. It's just whatever you're looking to do.
Rachel, thank you so much. Now, I hear the restaurant here is pretty amazing. Any recommendations?
Well, you can't go wrong with any of our choices, but I would go with the Middlebury chicken salad and a nice glass of sangria.
Sounds perfect. Doesn't this look great? Thank you so much. Ooh, delicious. One of the great things about shopping here at Middlebury Consignment, the cafe. You can take a break, enjoy some lunch. Now, in this state-of-the-art kitchen, they also offer cooking classes. Yeah, you can get a group of friends together, learn how to make a delicious meal. They offer team building and group parties too. But before you go, you have to stop downstairs at the candy shop. Homemade fudge and sweet treats. See you next time.